Hello student, as you know that in previous online class I have given homework lesson 3 bones and muscles. Learn choose the correct answer of lesson 3. I hope all of you learned choose the correct answer of lesson 3 in proper way, and I request you, those are watching the video, you have to write name, class and section for your attendance. Okay, daily after watching the video. Today we have discussed about the lesson 3 bones and muscles. Today first topic is joints. You know that joints are the place where two bones are joined together in body. Joints can be movable and immovable. Means joints are two type: movable joints and immovable joints. Most joints are movable joints. You know that in our body most of the joints are movable joints. Each movable joints move in certain direction and in a different way. Okay, now types of joints. Now first, immovable joints. Immovable joints. Immovable joints, you know that our skull is the best example of immovable joints. Okay, our skull is the best example of immovable joints. Our skull may feel and look like one big bone, but it has several bones joined together to give it fixed shape. A fixed joint, as the name indicate, the moves little. Fixed joint have only small space between them. This space provides cushion between the bones to tolerate certain blows to the head. You know that in our skull, immovable joints are found. Joints are together. Joints are fixed with immovable joints. Now next, movable joints. These joints provide free movement to the body. These joints are covered with a strong tissue called cartilage, which prevents the bones rubbing against each other. Strong muscles found, and these strong muscles prevent bones rubbing against each other. Okay, and now types of joints. The main types of movable joints in our body are: first, ball and socket joints; second, hinge joints; third, pivot joints; and fourth, gliding joints. Now see one by one all joints. First joint is ball and socket joint. Ball and socket joints. A ball and socket joint allow the bones to move easily in a large circle. This joint is formed by the round end of a long bone fitting with a hole or socket to another bone. Our shoulder, this is see the diagram. Our shoulder is an example of ball and socket joints. Other also, I give the example. The upper end of the arm bone has round and fitted in the socket shoulder bone. And other example next is a hip joint. See this diagram. This is a hip joint. This is a hip part. The hip joint also has ball and socket joints. See carefully. Hip joint and shoulder joint both have ball and socket joint. Next joint is hinge joints. Feel your knee, how it moves while you walk or sit on a chair. It moves differently. And a hinge joints allow movement only in back and forth direction, in back side and also as well front direction. It acts just like a hinge of a door, the elbow and also a hinge joint. Elbow, this is a diagram of elbow. See carefully. This the elbow, you know that elbow has knee hinge joints, and also this is a knee, and the knee also they have both are have hinge joints, just like a hinge of the door. See carefully this diagram. Now next is a pivot joint. It is found pivot joint found in neck. It lets you turn your head. See carefully this diagram. In neck, this joints, pivot joints found. We can move our head in semicircle, and can also move our head up and down movement, and this is possible to due to the hinge joint. Now next joint is gliding joint. It allows movement between two connecting bones like wrist, ankle, or vertebrae of the spine. This is the example of ankle and wrist. Both have gliding joints. See carefully this diagram. Now next topic is ligament. All joints have ligaments. You know that all joints have ligament. Ligaments are the strong and tough fiber which hold the bones together at the joints. A ligament look like a stretchable cord that connects one bone to another across joints. Ligaments also protect joints from checking the movement of the bone. You can say ligaments is a muscles that connect two bones together. Okay. With the help of ligaments, bones are joined together. Okay. Now next topic is muscles. Our bones cannot move on their own. They need muscles to move them. Muscles are not made up of tough elastic muscles are made up of tough elastic tissue which are connected to the bones by strong fiber called tendons. There are about 650 muscles in our body. How many muscles found in our body? 650 muscles. Near about 650 muscles found in our body. Muscles can only pull at the bones. They cannot push. So the move of the bones in one direction. At least two muscles are required. Thus muscles work in pair. They contract and relax to produce the movement in the body. Means they have the two type of functions. They have two types of functions. Example, contraction as well as relaxation. Contraction and relaxation. Okay. Now types of muscles. There are three types of muscles: skeletal muscles, cardiac muscles, and smooth muscles. So see the one by one all muscles. First is skeletal muscles. The skeletal muscles lie between the skin and bones. This is the example of skeletal muscles. The skeletal muscles have a voluntary movement. That is, skeletal muscles can move at our will. Skeletal muscles are used in running, walking, laughing, eating, etc. See this diagram carefully. This is the diagram of arm, and you see here, this is the in this part skeletal muscles are found, and in this part skeletal muscles found. They work, this muscles used for the running, walking, and laughing, eating, etc. Okay. Now next muscles is smooth muscles. Muscles are some are body organs such as wall of stomach, intestine, See this diagram. This is the wall of stomach. They have the smooth muscles, wall of stomach and intestine. These muscles work in their own, so these are called involuntary muscles. This is the diagram of stomach. See, in this part smooth muscles are found, and they work, they also known as involuntary muscles. Now next diagram is next diagram is this is the intestine. See, in intestine also, small intestine as well as in large intestine smooth muscles are found, and they are also known as involuntary muscles. Okay, and now see that diagram carefully. Now next is cardiac muscles. Cardiac, as you know that here, involuntary muscles of our heart are cardiac muscles. This is the diagram of cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles work continuously since our birth. The contraction and expansion of cardiac muscles count the heartbeat. You know that our heartbeat count with on the they depend on contraction and expansion of cardiac muscles. So in our heart, cardiac muscles are found. Now see the diagram carefully. Okay, now next topic is how do muscles work. Muscles work in pair by contraction and expansion. Contracted muscles become tighter and shorter. When expanded muscles is relaxed, it goes back to its original shape. The biceps and triceps. This diagram sees here biceps and triceps. Our body arm are voluntary muscles that work together. This is our arm, and this is the diagram of our arm. See carefully. The maintain the muscles is a good shape, and you know that bicep and tricep with this diagram carefully. See, okay. Muscles, you know that muscles work in pair, contraction and expansion. Okay. Now all student take copy and pen. Now write homework of lesson 3. Learn filling blanks of lesson 3. Learn fill in the blanks of lesson 3 in proper way, and I request you, please, after watching the video, you have to write name, class and section in comment box daily for your attendance. So all students always keep in mind, after watching the video you have to write name, class and section in comment box. And also I request you, please, you have to complete all work in proper way. When we have time, when I will check copy when we got the time, but you know that you have prepared, you have completed all work in proper way. Okay, all exercise, question, answer, etc. And once again, thank you for watching this video. God bless you. Be safe and be happy. Thank you.